Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix that frustrating couldn't sign in error in CapCut. If you've ever found yourself staring at the login screen, unable to get into your editing projects, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue, whether it's a simple network hiccup or something deeper in the app settings. Let's dive right in with our first area of focus: your internet connection and VPN status. Reliable network connectivity is absolutely essential when CapCut tries to authenticate your account. Before anything else, take a moment to check if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working well. You can open up a browser or another app just to make sure other online services are running smoothly. If things seem off, toggling airplane mode on and off is a quick way to refresh your mobile connection. If you're at home, restarting your router or modem sometimes clears up hidden glitches. Now, if you use a VPN, this is important. Certain VPN configurations can block access to CapCut servers. Try disabling your VPN and signing in again. Conversely, if you're in a country with restrictions, connecting to a VPN server in a different location can sometimes be your ticket past those regional blocks. Pause here for a moment. Network issues are one of the most common culprits, so don't skip this step. Next, let's talk about the CapCut app itself. Sometimes login errors are caused by corrupted or outdated app data. One of the easiest fixes is to clear the app's cache. If you're using CapCut on your phone, tap on the Me tab at the bottom, then hit the little gear icon for settings. Find the Clear Cache option and tap that. Don't worry, this only deletes temporary data, so your drafts will be safe. For those on PC, head to Menu, then Settings, and look for the Clear Cache button. This quick cleanup can iron out many little software glitches. Take an extra moment to make sure your app is updated to the newest version. Check the Play Store, App Store, or CapCut's official website, depending on your device. Outdated versions can cause all sorts of headaches, sometimes simply because they're no longer supported. If CapCut is still refusing to sign you in, go ahead and reboot your phone or computer. A simple restart can surprisingly fix minor system issues that might be blocking your login. And as a last resort, uninstalling and reinstalling CapCut from an official source wipes out any stubborn data problems. After reinstalling, give your device a fresh restart before trying again. That way you start with a truly clean slate. Our third troubleshooting step is all about your account and sign-in method. Double-check your credentials. Are you entering the correct username and password? Sometimes the simplest errors are the easiest to overlook. CapCut also lets you log in using several different platforms: TikTok, Facebook, Google, Apple ID, email, or phone number. If you're stuck with one method, try another. For example, switch from email to Google Login or vice versa. If you suspect your password might be wrong, go ahead and reset it. CapCut has built-in options for this, or you can reset through your linked platform like TikTok or Google. Also, make sure CapCut has all the necessary permissions on your device, especially for accessing the network. On your phone, check the settings and confirm the app isn't blocked from connecting online. Now, sometimes you could do everything right and still face the couldn't sign in message. If that's the case, the issue might be on CapCut's side. Maybe their servers are down for maintenance or experiencing a hiccup. At this point, it's best to wait and try again a bit later, or reach out to CapCut support for more personalized help. And that wraps up our troubleshooting guide. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any questions or your own tips to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Good luck getting back into CapCut and happy editing.